Everyone, hoping that you all are doing fine. This video I am making specifically for my younger brother and sister who are at present 12th standard and they want to grow their career by pursuing the CA, CS or CMA. So I will discuss about in these courses. So first I will discuss about CS. CS is known as company secretary. CS mostly do the legal compliances work and it will take around 4.5 years and cost is around 2 and 3 years 3 lakh, you can say that, but I can assure you that after completing the CS within 1 year with the job or a practice opening a practice firm, you can easily recover your cost. And you have to give 20 papers: foundation, executive and final. Foundation is known by CS EET nowadays. So yes, 20 paper you have to give to become a company secretary. So those students who are good enough in theoretical subject should go with the company secretary, because the course content, most of the course content are in the theoretical form. So those are good enough in academic, so must go with the company secretary. So now discuss about the CA. CA is known for the chartered accountant. Those are good enough in practical subject should go with the CA. CA contain 20 paper: foundation, inter and final. In foundation 4 paper, in inter 8 paper, or in final 8 paper. So total 20 paper you have to complete, and the cost will remain the same. Nowadays most of the students are doing self study by the study material provided by the institute or buying the reference book. A lot many, you can say that subject wise content is available on YouTube, and those students are facing problem in any particular subject can take the classes, but nowadays we are seeing that students are also doing the self study. So guys, and CA need to go under the 3-year articleship after completing one group of CA inter. So hoping that you are getting my point. And now discuss about the CMA. CMA is known as cost and management accountant. Okay, in foundation 4 paper, in inter 8 paper, in final 8 paper, and you have to go under the 3-year articleship. After completing the CMA inter, you can go with the 3-year articleship. So yes guys, now if we want to compare these 3 courses, so clearly I can say that CS mostly do the compliances work. So those are good enough in theoretical subject. I can assure you that they need to go with the company secretary, and those are good enough in practical. They need to go with the CA or CMA. Nowadays we are also seeing that most of the students doing respectively both courses, they are also continuing CA or CMA. Reason is that CA CMA 75% courses are same. If they are buying classes of CA, easily they can manage the CMA. Respectively, if they are buying CMA, they can easily manage the CA. So they are continuously doing the both study. CA exam will take place in May and November, and CMA exams June and December. So there is no clashing. That is why students are pursuing both courses continuously. And you have any doubt, you can ask me. So these are the courses. I can assure you that these courses have a demand all over the India: CA, CS or CMA. Those are good enough in theoretical, should go with the CS, and those are good enough in practical, go with the CA or CMA. CA do the, you can say that auditing work, taxation work, direct taxation, indirect taxations. Okay, and CMA are doing also CMA are doing the, you can say, the cost accounting, cost audit, cost managing, indirect taxations. They are also working with the corporate. So yes, and after completing the CA, CS and CMA, you can also go with the government job. Lot many opportunities are available, and lot many opportunities specifically for these 3 professions: CA, CS and CMA. So those want to grow their career in, you can say that, government sector. So after completing these course, they can also pursue with the government jobs. So still you have any doubt, I will try to cover each and every concepts. So after watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video, and you need any guidance, you can just ask me, and surely I will try to help him. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.